the abduction and incarceration of Dr. Besigye. Mr. Speaker, sir, like I've always said, the city occupies a constitutional seat. Your word is the last word. We can't turn this house into NARS, National Advisory Services. This is a parliament of the Republic of Uganda. What we pronounce ourselves upon is final. Mr. Speaker, sir, my procedure issue. I've scanned through today's order paper. I don't see any commitment or any report reflected on the order paper in regard to the Dr. Besigye abduction and incarceration. Mr. Speaker, sir, the problem with speaking and getting used to speaking is the more you speak, the less the people remember what it's for. If we don't attach value to this parliament, nobody else is going to attach any value to us. We're not here to warm seats or feel good. Mr. Speaker, sir, through you, and I kindly ask that you consider and explore the possibility of amending this order paper and demand that before the adjournment of today's sitting, government submits and presents a report on the Dr. Besigye abduction and incarceration without a pay. And that is non-negotiable, Mr. Speaker. Thank you very much.
We are not sharing. To begin with, that's not a procedure matter. Procedure matter is to do with the business we are handling today. That's number one. And I want members to have this clarification. I don't want us to be taking shortcuts under procedure. Let us not abuse that rule. The reason as to why we issue an order paper, Ari, is for you to reach out to the presiding officer in case you had an issue. Why I'm a bit late, I have been meeting members who have had issues asking me, why isn't this issue on the order paper, why isn't... That's why we issue the order paper, Ari, we don't issue it on the floor. So, Honorable colleague, if you felt this was an issue which must be on the order paper, you would have reached out to me so that I also consult if the report is ready, and then I can be able to amend the order paper and I put it. Number two, the order paper is not done by the Attorney General or by a minister, so I don't want him to be accused. It's us who carry the responsibility. But I've taken note of your matter, okay? I'm going to consult with the clerk to see if the response of the Attorney General is ready, and I'll give it space on the order paper at the appropriate time. Is it, you wanted to say something?
Can we
No,
have...
Honorable, please, you don't access the microphone without my permission. No, please.
This is about the Constitution. Excuse me. Nope. Me down. Nope.
Honorable Karshe, please, can you take your seat?
Sir.
Honorable Karshe, can you take your seat? Please.
Speaker. But yes.
And some of you are senior legislators. So let us not always push presiding officers to a certain, certain direction. Okay? Yeah. Honorable Attorney General?
Honorable Speaker, I'm glad that you are presiding over this matter, this House. Honorable Speaker, in light of what Honorable Kiiza is seeking, when he brought up that issue, I want to confess that I'm not one of those who understand his English 100%. I wrote to the clerk Parliament on the 14th of January and requested that they give me the question exactly as he stated it, so that I could prepare a response. My letter is here, received on the 14th of January. So I have not refused to respond, but I've not yet received the question in your language. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.